Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. So for today's vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa itong aking graduation pictorial makeup tutorial. So ayun, simple ano lang tayo, eyeshadow, brown lang tayo with konting glitter lang. Para simple lang at the same time, hindi siya mag-aano sa camera kasi may times na kapag yung puro glittered yung ano natin, nag-aano siya pag may flash yung camera. So ito, camera friendly. At the same time, yung mga ginamit ko is yun din yung ginamit ko dati nung pictorial namin nung college. Pati nga tong damit, ito din yung sinuot ko. So ayun, medyo in-improve ko lang yung eyeshadow ko. So ayun, if you want to know and if you want to see ano nga ba yung proseso kung paano ko nagawa itong makeup na to, just keep on watching. that's it. This is the end of my video. I hope na may natutunan kayo. And ayun, I just want to congratulate the batch 2019-2020. So, medyo malungkot lang kasi hindi talaga yung totaling graduation na ini-expect nyo. But, ang mahalaga doon, nakagraduate kayo. Yun yung pinaka-importante doon. So, ayun lang. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more vlogs. And see you again on my next videos.